hope you have fun with me and my adventures. Please press the like and subscribe button. It will help a lot.
The streamer align the tape disc with the hole and said, turn over the streamer and remove the second.
The only thing I like about you is that
Tape screws firmly onto the other side of the streamer with the holes of both tape aligned to each other.
Alright, can you do that? Oh, follow directions. You got streamers right here. Look at. Here, remember, you can use that stuff. Just set it down for now, right? Doesn't have to be upright. No, just set it. There you go.
Hey, the bears are gonna be fast.
You got your streamers. You got all your stuff right there.
Yeah.
So, what do you need?
I'm gonna shut this. I'm gonna put this on. Put that in.
Well, what do the directions say?
That's the launch rod in case you need to press it. Sometimes we get the glue stuck in.
You still got stuff in there.
It could be the
There you go. Alright, so remove one of the two tape discs. So you got the right there in your hands. So, okay.
What are you all doing?
Well, what does this say?
So the back of the is firmly onto the streamer.
Right here. You know what a streamer is. Kind of like in the photo.
$5 a piece.
Just right here. There you go. Okay.
Okay, so I think this goes through the hole.
Wait, what does it say?
It says firmly.
Okay.
And then what do I do? Because I continue under the streamer around the face of the hole instead. Does it mean this?
No. Turn it over and add that second one, it says. Right?
You're supposed to be helping put them together. Are y'all almost ready? Is it almost y'all? Who's up next?
That's the minimum price.
What? There right now, and then we below?
Alright. Okay, now what's next?
Firmly.
Okay, so step 2 now. But there's already a hole. So number 3.
Pass the white elastic shock cord through the hole and tap the disc on the streamer, then tie the nose cone to the end of the white elastic shock cord with a double knot.
I can't get it out.
This goes through your ear, definitely.
Yep.
It's not supposed to go in that far.
Here.
Yeah, and then tie a double knot.
Where is it? It won't work. I don't care if my engine. Well, it's going to. If you wanted to, take out the toilet. Yeah, really?
Okay, so that's 1.
You actually can fire. You can. Bro makes a fire. Because it's happening. And they didn't have to.
2. There we go. Good job.
Okay, now.
Alright, now what else? Do we have any other instructions? Oh, here we go. Is this the launching stuff? Can you hold that? No, we already did that part. Right?
I think right here.
Here we go. Finish your rocket.
Move the pressure sensitive decals on the paper and apply it to the. Does it mean like put those
Yep,
on?
put the stickers on it. Yep.
Okay.
The parachute is deploying. There is no parachute. It's a ribbon. We don't do parachutes. It's a ribbon. It knows.
And then you can put those on here. Do you want to put them there?
Right here.
And you're here. Huh? I want to launch mine. Same, bro. Let me eject the moment. Bro, I want to eject me spelling out.
I think we're even allowed to be on.
Playground in you.
Fine.
TTVLK.
wadding in there?
Yeah, that's what I was coming for.
Hank?
Oh, you got a parachute. Oh, that's nice.
That's
Oh, it's a dog.
yeah, this is the arrow.
Ah.
Okay, now what's next?
Flight check with model rocket launch pad.
Well, you had step 1 now, flying.
One again. Insert 2 crumpled recovery widening sheets to the bottom to float shock cord after
So that's toilet paper, in other words. So 2 pieces, but you want them separate. And kind of crumple it into a bowl-ish.
Imagine that's it.
And then you see, so you put it in here, right? Okay, and then do the and then do the next, and kind of crumple it up, not too small, but small enough so it can fit. Okay. So pretty much do this as well. So fold that up, and then also you gotta roll up the streamer as well. So roll up the streamer first. Roll up the streamer first.
What is the fins? No, that one. That one? Yeah, it's always here.
Oh, look, it's way out there. Look, way out there.
Okay. And then with holding that in your hand, the bug, you want to here roll it up like that. There we go. Now I'll hold this if you want to start feeding the stuff into there.
Eating down.
Yep, start feeding it.
Eat them.
You might have been able to twist that.
Oh my god.
So I said I'm holding this, start feeding.
Always do your best. Yeah.
Yeah, that is so good.
Bro, have you heard of the drink?
Spinning a flag.
Get your fingers in there.
God.
Okay, I'll hold this if you want to roll that up again.
You made it touch the spin helicopter. Why does it take trying to get launch one of each individual launcher? The rockets The rockets need to get
Alright, so
This is
what we're gonna want to do is so I gotta hold this if you want to try to push that cord. The cord. Try to push the cord more. Keep going, keep pushing.
Put this part in.
Alright, there we go. Okay, so now
I'm gonna plunge it.
I'm gonna push that, and now that's really long, but what we can do is there we go.
You're welcome. Good luck. Alright, do you have any wadding in there?
There we go. So now what's next?
Install model rocket motor enginator according manufacturers recommended procedure.
Igniter. Motor igniter. Except I'm not sure how it's supposed to go in there.
I have to go in here.
Oh, I can help.
I have to go in here.
Here, let me
Lock it in. This is your igniter.
You can't even see.
This is, bro, I do not.
Go ahead and stop for now. This is George's rocket. Mr. Adam is setting it up right there in the middle.
Use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like. Find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Alright, so here they go again because all three of the motors failed. So they had to replace them all. Now they're going to try it again.
While you drown, they wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Georgia! Come here! Georgia! Come on! Let's see the rocket!
Here it is.
A little piece broke off, but we can glue that. Isn't that pretty cool? Did you like it? What was your favorite part about the rockets? Was that fun building it? Yeah? Did yours go the highest? It did go pretty far, huh? Alright, what do you say? Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Here are some really, really big rockets from the adults. there's all the Cub Scouts and the parents.